What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the 2-in-1 jump starter. You can never get tired of jump starters. If you are old school, then you know the cable thing and you have to ask somebody for help, and nobody wants to help you these days. So this is perfect for your kids, your wife, even yourself. For someone who, is not really into jump starting their battery, this will be an easy tool for them to jump start their battery. They might just need a little juice to get home, or they need a little juice to get to work. This is the perfect thing. Now, this is a 2-in-1. You can jump start your battery, and you also can fill up the air in your tire, you guys. Got the brand name on the case. All right, now we are going to get into the goodies. We have the unit right here, and this is a fairly decent size. From the picture of it, it looks like it's going to be a little bit smaller than, what it is, but this is pretty nice. I actually like the design of this. It looks cool. Wow. Well, when you look at that. All right, now you have that. You have the power button. You hit the power button, and it gives you, your air pressure and all of that. All right, you guys, we got the instructions. Along with the instructions come charging cable, USB Type-C, and then you get your air attachments so you can pump up your basketball, football, whatever you need to pump up for sports. Fitness, you can pump up your fitness balls, and then you can pump up bicycle tires, car tire, whatever tire you need to pump up. You're good to go with that. And of course, you get your jumper cable. Now, the negative is a little shorter than the positive, so y'all can see that. To charge this, you can use a 5-volt block. So one of the regular blocks, you can use that. All right, you guys, so it says it takes 6 hours to charge this at 100% capacity. It says each indicator is 25%. So if you see a block on here, to let you know your percentage, each block equals 25% when it comes to the charging level on here. Okay, so vehicle, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball. All right, you guys. So that's it with the instructions, but in my honest opinion, they should have called this 4-in-1 instead of 2-in-1. Why do I say that? Well, here's why. Not only you can jump starter your car, you can put air in the tire of your car, but you also have a light. And then on top of that, I'm gonna get this out the way too. You can charge your phones. All right, you can charge up your phones or whatever device you need. Right here, you can use this as a power bank, you guys. So this is actually a 4-in-1, but it says 2-in-1, because of the main two products, but it's really a 4-in-1. So let's just hit the power button. Once you hit the power button, I'm gonna hold the light button down, and there you go. You have your lights, and then you have different modes of lights. So I'm gonna hit lights again. That's your strobe light. And all I'm doing is hitting the light button, you guys. I hit the light button again. Emergency flash. And there you go. So you have 4 modes of your light. And we had 4 bars. They said each bar right here is 25%. All right, 25, 25, 25, 25, 4. So we're 100%. If you want to go up and down with your air, there you go. And you could change your mode. M is usually mode. So if you want to change your mode, if you want air in your car, bike, basketball, car, motorcycle, bike, basketball. Now you can go bar, PSI, K. You got all the settings you can go through, but we stay on PSI. And if you want to jump start your car, you just simply hook it up and jump start your car. So what we're going to do is jump start my wife's car, because my wife's car battery is actually dead, you guys. I did not do it for the test of this video, but it so happens for me to have this product in the studio. So what a coincidence, right? So we are going to hook this up. All right. Once you hook it up, you have flashing lights. Usually when it's flashing lights, that means there's no connection. And once you connect it, it should be solid lights. That's how they usually work. So we will see how this one works. All right, so catch y'all in the garage. Okay, you guys. Wife's Toyota will not start. So we will try out our new toy. And the expiration of this is done. As you can see, 2020. Solid color. No, I've already moved the car. All right, let's see what happens, you guys. Let's go. And now it starts right on up. Yeah, it might be the battery. The battery is a little old. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this review. I had to get my wife a new battery, but her car worked after that little jumper that we just did. So definitely a good choice. Nice and sleek. You could take this to work. Nobody will know what it is. It looks like a big, well, it's a big power bank, but somebody might ask you, say, dang, that's a big power bank. You just tell them it's a power bank. It's a jump starter. It's a light. It's an air compressor. All in one. So that would be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.